Hello everybody and welcome to this new video about working with Capture One. And today we are going to talk about working with styles and how you can create your own styles. But before we start, if you haven't used Capture One yet, please click the link below so you can download a free 30-day trial of Capture One. And if you want to buy Capture One or one of the style packages, please use promotional code Ferry. This way you can support my channel and help me make more of these videos. Now let's go back to styles. Over here I have an image, and when I want to do a quick look about what I could do with the image or which look I want to have, I can click here on the clipboard, and over here I've got my styles. These are the packages I've bought. There's also the one with Ferry. These are my styles I created myself, but I will show that in a moment. But a lot of time when I'm with like art director or client, I just can go through and look like, well, what's the style you want? A lot of time I like the essential packages, and then let's say the MT07 or Cinema 12. And when you add something of a style and you are like, well, the color grading and everything is too much, please do right click and then apply to new layer. Now when you go to like the exposure adjustment, over here you have the adjustment from the styles, but you can just use the opacity to make it more or make it less. But now let's get it off again. Now I'm going back to the image I've done last week, the one with Marco, because I like the color grading I did on this image. I can go over here to my clipboard, click over here on the dots and say save user style. Now here you got all kinds of options you can save with this style. Now I want to do the shadow and highlight recovery, I want to have the levels in it, I want to have the base characteristics, the color editing, very important. Lens correction, I just want to keep from every image I've made. Very, very important tip. Over here you can see crop. Turn this off, because if you don't do this, every time you will add a style to an image, it will use this crop. But if you have like portrait, the crop can really ruin your composition. So turn off the crop. Details can be staying like this. Now I can just say save. Now I've made a folder in my styles. Go over here and I say, let's call it Marco Filmish, save. So now you can see over here I created styles from the edit I've done, which I can use on other images. So now you can see how easy it is to create your own styles, or let's say just presets in Capture One. I hope you like this video. If so, please give a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed yet to my channel, please click here to subscribe and here to watch some videos I've made in the past. And if you have any other things you want to see explained in upcoming videos, please drop them below. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye!